Welcome. I want to show you a great trick on how you can get rid of that Rice Krispies, that snap, crackle, pop, that grinding sound, that sound that's driving you crazy every time you move your head forward or backwards or sideways. Understand the spine is composed of joints, and in the joints you have gases. And many times we'll just move the head a certain way, you hear a pop. Those are gases, that's nitrogen and carbon dioxide being released from the joint space, that's normal. But you also have muscles and tendons pulling and leveraging. As these tendons pull over bones, you can hear noise and popping as well. You can also hear cartilage, which is in the disc and inside other specific joints that you can hear grinding. Now, if grinding is causing pain, I recommend you follow up with a doctor. Now, this technique is something that is wonderful. We're going to increase mobility in all these different joints. By increasing mobility, we're going to get the joints to start gliding better upon the bones, how they sit on top of each other. So the first thing I want you to do, I want you to take your neck and your chin and leave it just in the same plane as I have it right now. And now what I want you to do is I want you to bring your chin and your face as forward as you can bring it, just like this. I don't want your head to go down nor upwards, just straight ahead to where your chin is parallel to the ground. Now, I want you to imagine as you bring your head forward, you're bringing it as close as you can if there was a wall, an imaginary wall right in front of you. Now, I want you to pretend that you have a pencil connected to the front part of your chin. And that pencil, what you want to do is you want to write a figure 8, just like this. A figure 8 on the wall, and that's the motion we're going to go in. So if my head is forward, my chin is forward, watch my head as I just move a figure 8. And as you go a figure 8 like this, by not moving your chin forward or backwards, we're actually moving the joints. And by doing that, you're going to hear clicking and cracking and grinding behind the head, behind the neck. And by doing this regularly, you'll do this for a good minute. And you can do this once, twice, 3 times a day. As you do this little figure 8 move, this will increase that mobility. Now, if you look at the model, as we bring the head forward like this is the motion, just like this. So remember, everything's pushed forward with your chin and your head, parallel to the ground. Little circular figure 8s. That tip of that pencil coming off, that imaginary tip, is doing a figure 8 on the wall just like this. And you just start practicing that and you'll hear the grinding sound, and as you keep doing it, the grinding sound will lessen more and more and more over time. I'd like to hear your feedback. I really hope this helps you. A great biomechanical exercise that will definitely help this underlying condition. I ask you to share this video. I ask you to subscribe if you haven't so you can continue to receive the best of the self-help videos here on the internet. And most important, make it a great day. I'm Dr. Alan Mandel.